This is week 14 construction update for the new worship center on Lincoln Avenue. You'll see the block is now all the way across the front, and the beginning of the columns at the main entry have begun. They will eventually reach all the way to the roof line. You'll also see at the other end that the same columns, the stone columns you see right here, will be at the main entry as well. You see just the bottom of that column at the secondary entrance has been started. Come inside to the inside the building and you'll see that insulation has now been put in, and they have begun drywall up in the ceiling, and we're making some great progress here. Everything is starting to take shape. They'll start working more so on drywall next week, as well as finishing up those stone columns, Lord willing. And we'll continue moving forward. Please keep praying.